Oh my gosh, I'm at Chippewa Valley Outdoors and I just saw the Sol Horizon made by InTech for the first time. This small travel trailer is 19 feet in length and about 3,300 pounds, so it's perfect for beginners because it would be easy to tow. And I think you're gonna be pretty impressed with all the features it has inside. But before we go inside, I gotta show you this. It has a gigantic panoramic front window. I've never seen an RV window like this before. Wait till you see what it looks like from the inside. The InTech Sol Horizon also comes with this optional outdoor kitchen with a griddle and a cooler. This small travel trailer also comes with a 10-foot awning. Okay, come on, let's go inside. The very first thing I noticed when I walked in here was the big window and how spacious it made it feel. Okay, before I get ahead of myself, let me give you a 360-degree view of the InTech Sol Horizon so you can see what it looks like. It also has an interior ceiling height of 6 feet and 8 inches, which also helps make it feel so big inside. I really couldn't believe how much hanging out room there was in this dinette for such a small travel trailer. And can you imagine the views you'd have from this panoramic window when you're out camping? There was a drawback about the window that I did think about, and that was that the window does not open. What do you think about this window? I learned that the windows are tinted so people can't see in when they're walking by, and it has a pull-down blackout shade. Everything in here feels like it's made with real good quality products and materials, including the cushions. The InTech Sol Horizon is just one of the best small travel trailers and teardrop campers for beginners. There's 3 more that are somewhat similar to this one that I think you're going to want to see. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you exactly how to do just that. So keep watching. The table is removable, and the dinette also converts into another sleeping area. There's so much attention to detail in here, and I love this silver backsplash. It comes with a 2-burner gas stove that has a cast iron grate. Okay, tell me, have you ever seen a farmhouse sink in an RV, especially a small travel trailer? Pretty cool, huh? Below the stove are 4 drawers, and there's storage space underneath the sink. Next to the dinette is the refrigerator, and I couldn't figure out how to get it open. Then I realized there's a latch that'll hold it closed so it won't open while you're traveling down the road. That's a smart idea. It's not a huge refrigerator, but it certainly has enough space to hold enough food for a long weekend or maybe even longer. And above the refrigerator is a microwave. Then below the microwave is the command center and a stereo. I was really surprised that this small of a travel trailer comes with a full queen-size bed. And I gotta tell you, this is a really nice mattress. It feels very plush and comfortable. There is storage above the bed, but the cabinets, they're not real deep. But every inch of storage is important. At the foot of the bed is cubby space, speakers, and a clock. At the head of the bed is a window with more cubby space, and you do have more bedroom storage space below the bed. Now let's look at the bathroom, and once again, I was surprised. I'm not sure what the ceiling height is in the bathroom, but I'm 5'2", and there was a lot of space above me. I had to keep on reminding myself that I'm in a 19-foot travel trailer because it didn't feel like it. As I mentioned, there are still 3 more small travel trailers you need to see because they're similar in many ways, but there's some big differences. To make it easy for you to compare all 4 of them, I have a video that does a side-by-side comparison of each one. So click on the video right here to start watching it now. Or if you don't see the video up on the screen, I'll leave the information in the description below this video. I can't wait to see you over in that video next, and more importantly, to see which one is your favorite.